Hello people, today we'll be winning some farm animals, and each one I win, I'm going to give them to YouTubers. To go to my channel is easyju27 at gmail.com, and the YouTube channel is Jeff West, and let's get started playing for the giveaways. First item is a little bunny rabbit. You can see he's really cute. Now I got a cow. If y'all can give me any mail packages and all that, please, that would really be big help for me. And plus, I love y'all. I love all the subscribers. And I'll give you a giveaway. So, I mean, y'all gotta help me out here. I'm new to YouTube. You can email me with that email address, and if you want me to, I can send these, or you can mail me anything, then I'll get them from there. And let's start the playing. Subscribe, comment, do whatever you need to. You YouTubers and the new YouTubers like me and all that. Tomorrow's video is going to be about playing Minecraft and sleeping over with my best friend, maybe. So, yeah. Now I got this hammer thing from the game. That is from Pikachu. It's me, Pikachu. Oh. Me getting me chicken. It's a big story how every time I do this. It's time for the whale. It's time for the claw. It's time for the claw. Give me a claw, 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 claw. This is getting in the middle to what we do. We got nothing. And plus and if you guys want any of my stuffed animals, I have some rare ones and new ones.